what's up, y'all? It's me, annoying as DiDi.
And me, Dre.
And that's my son, Dre. Alright, so today what we're going to do for you guys is try these Wrap Snacks noodles. Is it Wrap Snack noodles? What is it called? No, it's not. Wrap Snacks Icon Ramen Noodles. So we have E40. This is hot. And then we got Lil Boosie. So Lil Boosie is Louisiana hot and spicy chicken flavor noodles.
Oh my god.
And then E40 is Beef Prime Rib flavor. So, how do you think these are gonna taste?
We've had the chips before and they're gonna taste as bad as the chips.
You see they're gonna taste as bad as the chips? So we had tried the Migos, we tried 2 bags. We tried, I think it was the sour cream chips. Man, those things were a disaster. They were so sweet. How the hell are you gonna make sour cream sweet? Sour cream is meant to be sour, not sweet. Then they had another one, something habanero. I think it was a honey habanero. Now I expected those to be sweet, but they was way too sweet. Like there was more sweet than they were spicy. But guess who loved them? My husband. Man, every time he went to the store, he was looking for those Wrap Snacks, but I don't know what happened to them. They're not in the... I don't know what's going on.
Everybody hated them, and then they stopped stealing them.
Maybe. We're probably going to have to order some for Daddy.
Oh, God.
Alright.
I'm scared to open these.
So, what I like about these is that it is made from cardboard and not foam, right? And if you know, you know. But come on, let's open these up.
Oh God. It looks nothing like the picture.
I know, in the picture they're orange. Like it's yellow. Come on, open it.
I don't know if I want to eat the spicy one though.
You want to try this one first?
Yeah. Cool
There's
down.
no like really smell. There's no strong smell.
To me, it just smells like plain noodles. Oh God.
I don't like how that one looks.
Me either.
I know this one's gonna be good. It's Louisiana. Hot. Whew. You ready?
3, 2.
Wait. Let me mix it. You make sure it's good. Make sure you get all the flavors. Alright, so there is a message on...
Where?
There is a message on the containers. So Louisiana. Lil Boosie says, sometimes you need those bad days because it helps you truly appreciate the good things.
Who's this guy?
E40.
Oh.
And it says appreciate the good times on the front. What does it say?
Which one am I reading? Oh,
Be
the
careful.
one right here or here?
Both.
Believe in yourself first before you believe in anyone else. And then the mini one says, believe in your own dreams before you believe in somebody else's dreams. You smell me, your personality and networking skills will take you a long way. This is so hot. Always remember, stay down until you come up. Real talk.
Alright.
That sounds like something a rapper would say.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna try these out.
Wait, we need to blow them first.
I know. Gotta wrap it. Alright.
Oh no. This is actually good. It doesn't have any flavor.
How is that good if it doesn't have any flavor?
What I mean is it has a slight flavor.
You know, this has a lot of food enhancers in it, and flavor enhancers. I'm getting more spice than I'm getting any type of seasoning.
I know. More spice is
This reminds me of spicy shrimp noodles, cup noodles.
My favorite type of noodles is cup though. Okay, now we switch.
Yeah, you're gonna like that one.
Wait.
I'm about to eat my hair. Take your fork. This is my fork.
Oh God.
That's spicy. It's more spicy than anything.
Really? More spicy than Takis?
It's about the same spice.
Well, then I can take it. I'm waiting for you. It's good, but it could. Oh, it's good, but it could use some more flavor. What is it? Is it bad or is it good? No. I just appreciate that one because it wasn't anything extraordinary.
I like this one better.
Me too.
I knew I was gonna like this one. Cause it's Louisiana. And Louisiana got the best flavor.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, so I'm gonna let my sisters and brothers say taste on this.
You wanna let the kids, your sisters, okay, go get them. Everybody's gonna try the noodles now. That's hot, that's hot. Get a chair. The Boosie is the one for me. Come over here. Get a chair and bring it over here.
I'm hungry.
What is this, Mama? What is this?
What is this, the Louisiana one or?
Yeah.
Give me my fork.
Watch it, JJ.
I was saying hey! Let me have some!
You ready to try it? It's hot.
Okay.
Wait.
Who wants to try the spicy Louisiana
Wait.
one?
You gotta do it in the camera, Dre. Blow it.
Not eat.
Let me have some, let me have some, let me have some. Let me have some. I wanna try. I wanna try!
Yeah, I could eat this one.
I wanna try.
Yuri, come, Zonny, come over here. Zay, you don't need to be in the chair.
It's mine. I saved it. That was really good.
That was good.
Let me taste. Let me taste. Let me taste.
All right, Zay, come taste the spicy one.
No. Let me taste.
Blow it.
It's mine. I'm thirsty. We're all very cluttered. Okay, I want a spicy one.
Spicy, you want the yummy.
I want the spicy one.
That's not spicy, Yuri.
That's not spicy.
It's like smooth.
Let me have some.
Taste the spicy one.
I want to try this one. Let me have some.
Here, Zonny. Zonny, try the spicy one.
Johnny, try the spicy one.
I'm just being left alone back here.
Hey. Spicy? Which one tastes better?
Spicy.
I like this one better.
You like the E40 one? Which one you like? The spicy? You want Boosie? The spicy one is Boosie.
Ooh, it is. Thank you.
Alright, guys. So that's it. We tried the Rap Snacks ramen noodles.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
What?
They are right.
Snacks.
Would I buy them again? No. Not as good as the other ones. I don't even know how to pronounce them. But
It was hard. It was very, very hot.
I don't know. I think they need a little bit more flavor. You don't need the flavor enhancers. You need more flavor, period. More garlic, more onion powder, more garlic powder, more onion powder. Just like double up on the seasonings. That's what I would say. And then just double up on the seasonings. That's it, y'all. But we're gonna get on up out of here. My kids just like noodles, period. So we can't even take their opinion in consideration right now. They just want some, and they don't like spicy, so it's really hard. Maybe when they get a little bit more older. You don't like no spicy, girl. Let me go handle that. And we're gonna get right back with you. So until next time, baby, it's annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.